What's up, guys? Just going to do my quick recap for the day. So, to start the day, I actually swung PayPal puts. I swung 71 puts for next week. Um, there was a lot of upper wicks here on the daily. The daily was also very overextended here. Stock was overbought at this time, and sellers were showing that they were present up here, just pushing this price action back down. So, I swung 71 puts for next week. I sold them near the open for a smaller gain overall at between 15 and 20%. I believe they ran close to 75% when PayPal went down close to 70 bucks on the day. So it was a really good overnight short. And that was to start the day. Majority of the gains today that I got were from futures. Overall, across all the accounts, I ended up making just over $3,000 on the day. So my algo triggered short on SPY this morning. I did not trade the morning session here on SPY. Instead, I traded Amazon. If you guys remember from the recap yesterday, I shorted, look, it's still here. I shorted Amazon here and took it down to 172.40. This morning, I set it live on Spaces and live in Discord. If it breaks underneath that, I'm going to take that thing down closer to 171 and then 170 cycle level. Broke below it right here, ended up taking the puts, took the 170s. They ended up going in the money for just over 75%, I believe, whenever I exited them. I believe they ran a little bit more after that. So that was a really, really good short on the day. Just 2 for 2 on Amazon back to back for this short all the way down to 170 cycle level. After that was SPY. So I waited for SPY to come down here. This is the same chart again from yesterday. It is nothing different. SPY was inside this entire range yesterday, just carried over until today. So when SPY came down here, I ended up going long in ES. I didn't take SPY calls. I traded futures here. So I'm getting long on ES here. At the same time, IWM on the 5-minute here had a Morningstar reversal. So I ended up going long on RTY at the exact same time that I went long on ES. Got a very nice push to the upside here. Just before this long right here, I actually shorted RTY, just 2 contracts for the evening star at the top to take it to the downside, and then that's where I flipped long on ES and RTY. So that was a really, really good trade. And then closing the day, I ended up getting some QQQ calls right here on this big pop right up here, and then took majority of the profits up here to this previous resistance, to the top of this zone here for 25 to 28%, I think was my highest trim. So overall, just had a really, really good day across the accounts. The credit spreads were still working in the other account as well. So just had a really good day overall. Market is a little crazy here after hours for NVIDIA earnings. NVIDIA is currently down 3.5%. So we'll see what happens tomorrow.